Hi, I am Sunil Gupta from Nutra. We are the first manufacturers of liquid filled capsules, and we have introduced the technology of liquid filling in HPMC, which is vegetarian capsules. We have some unique products which are clinically proven, and we export our products to nearly nine to 10 countries, including US, UK, Kenya, and Southeast Asian countries, Sri Lanka, and various other countries. And we manufacture products for some of the prominent companies like His Holiness Pandit Ravi Shankarji and others. And we do branding for so many companies. Being a part of IPHEX, yes, we get very good exposure from here, and we get so many customers from various countries. Like I am told that there are customers from nearly 40 to 45 countries here for the event, and this gives us very good exposure.